If you regularly drive tractor-trailers, fifth wheels, travel trailers, or other large vehicles, you know how important it is to get a complete view of your surroundings while on the road. Backup cameras help, but wired units are often difficult to install, and most wireless systems can't keep up at long distances and high speeds. Introducing the SimpleSight series, a new line of wireless backup camera systems from RVS. After years of testing and fine-tuning, we've built a line of rugged and reliable systems that are guaranteed to work at distances up to 100 feet, even at highway speeds. With two configurations, 5-inch with one backup camera or 7-inch with optional side cameras, the systems feature Instant Pair, which allows the driver to pair camera to monitor without leaving the cab. Stay in control without the struggle. Head over to rearviewsafety.com and learn more about our new SimpleSight series of wireless backup cameras today.